to look. She's the one that bringing bad name to the police people. She's the one that damaging police people reputation. Police are this in Hogadi. Somebody query on your Brugiga. Declare Ammonia wanted though. Declare this person wanted though. She's fighting this person. So all this fight that's been going on social media, and when they have Basaragan at those fights, who called you? Who asked you to 3 good times before I replied you? Let me play your video where you opened your mouth and told the world that this woman, oh, she did not do me wrong, oh. I was the one that looked for her trouble. Guys, listen. Listen, oh. Watch.
Inbox. Yesterday, no, come na my inbox. Now I'm just Ogechi. Sorry, what is sorry? This one I'm mad. Sorry, give me a message. Only I see this. Sorry. Ibera Koya 1, Koya 2. Otopon gone here. Ogani ni wo shisha de move. Na ide fare na fare ga mana na izida onya no o mala na onwere ko ebe o esi we before my attack or whatever. But then my conscience, my body was just was just not okay, you know. So don't forget and my followers, yeah. Man didn't follow me, so okay, is just a forgotten issue. So I'm gonna happen never. Oh, all this age, it's okay.
Guys, so now I did not wrong this woman. Oh, I never footashi. Okay, I not you directly. Oh, not at all. Not at all. She made first video, second video, third video. When she threatened my NGO. I don't know who she is. She just one woman that parade herself to be this, to be that. I don't know who she is. I was doing my normal thing. People that were sagaring me, I was also sagaring them. This woman came online, targeted me. Let me play some of the videos that she used and bullied me. Watch. For those of you that don't know, pay attention. Pay attention. Kehu kamadu jano rebeya no pia kwampuramu. For those of you, don't allow anybody to intimidate you. Do not. I want you as far as you have, as far as somebody to go get the video. Save for one fire back. Fire back. I tells you that for free. Especially on Wegi. Mind your lane. Somebody at all go one day. You don't know how to take 10 years. Fight it to finish. Do you know how many people gathered on social media now Facebook who fought me? Over 20 pages. I stood my ground. I'm just shaking. Can we change Ijele? Monagige Buria. Fire to fire. On your wall, see near. Ask him to get ready and get ready for those people telling you, Ogechi, when evidence. I get you this. Come on, go. I'm one of the my Aquasaga. I bet you, I'm going to get up. Neighbor also. It was so. Mama hit by Ariane. Let me show you where this woman made countless of videos against me. It was I was on my own. And when business whatsoever, I don't have business with her. She came straight attacking me. Attacking me directly. Remember the gazettes. People, let me say it again. Only on gazette na platform. Move the verdict to Supreme Court as soon as possible. At least I will be aware of it. Okay. I will be aware of it. I'm And I think, I can't you screenshot it? Don't you know what's going on? Yes, because sometimes you act like you don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a first again.
Put everybody. Put everybody.
Sometimes you keep acting like you don't know what's going on.
Ali, into another dimension that I still able to everybody come up there.
Okay, Mechano, come here. Ali, why marry PK? I
don't know.
Just here. Because no change can happen now. I'm not very in it. I watch out to Abuja. They're not by the guy.
Something on what's going on. Go ask him, shut up. Do the necessary.
Okay, you can do this afternoon because this place is hot.
Sorry.
Just advising.
Don't mind
the point. She was just advising.
Alyssa should not even say, and I need to know what is going on.
Yeah.
I was Zukwanike.
Oh, I am getting this near.
Because happen to match on my saga material.
What I'm waiting for single my voice notes because you take
Now, listen, information and them checking for the channel. You're not even for. Okay, I'm not happy because you're not helpful today.
I'm not really in that.
Am I here now? Channel come.
If you want. If we are quick, I be a chiplet.
I can be a chin, but any dream he play, I'll be quite that particular one. Nah, he made before my be a
I can but we never finish the program. We never finish now. We'll still do it tomorrow because somebody may be here now.
Hey, Manuel, listen, a coffee, man.
Who is tagging me in that on that Facebook?
Listen, a coffee. On a coffee.
I think there's no such a duplicate come out.
Okay, lawyer knows one step. Nah, Alyssa to talk about where? But you know, yesterday. Alyssa Bianga na koeri.
Nguba Barianishi, Nguba.
Nguba Barianishi. Nguba Barianishi. Odo Abuja Imecha case.
Post all me on my page.
Imecha case. Iga mata tin sobu. Ihuna sobu you run away.
Okay.
Kumari Desi Empire Kachari pe amma one man from another mother.
ECOWAS Court website. How on official?
Oh no, they are not going. Is that
okay? The publication on 25th is the latest publication now today early morning. So that on my page.
And in a Zoom watch ya the validity.
In the comment section.
Let me balagi Desi. Anoma, Alyssa watched it. I watched it. My lawyer was there. Paka iji no nele. Neke na Zoom. I did online. How Saga talk? How we hear she from court? ECOWAS, I will give local government office.
Okay, Vicky, what the verdict said. Please, your bingos are asking you what did the verdict said. Over.
What did the verdict said? Oma, open your phone and read it. Read it loud.
Just go.
You can read it.
Oh, we know one Abuja over the
Even I share the link in my page, you can also go to my page and read it. I'm ready for everybody today. Hey guys, I agree by force. It was Abraham, Joseph, come out, go in, read it like that.
You know the kind of crime you're supposed to commit before I send a police na chogacho. Before I make a publication, newspaper publication that you're wanted. It come on Facebook, you declare me wanted as Sonia. Now Nigeria is a use. I don't know. She like Cameroon never in another country.
I'm Daisy. I got a platform ECOWAS and I got on them Kenyan verdicts. Positive verdict.
I saw it now, but go about
only me.
Only me.
Go to me yesterday. Nanem.
Since yesterday, I told me post anything. I'm gonna check ECOWAS post. Oh yeah. Until the man here, even okay, make a video, a post to him. Yeah. Until I'm gonna ECOWAS.
Of course. Go and read it. Then never call to Nina. Victory. Nanem. I want to ask. Anu Majoronia. Gikeshe throw that case away. Ne throw case away. Ne throw case. Ah, the Mocanaro. Bashi. So person. So. Ah. Shaggy minute. I wasn't even thinking about the money parts.
Alex Kuba one now, a young guy. Any of you can buy at any time. Go naga. You can even mention you welcome.
I wasn't even thinking about that part at all.
This one up and down.
Nah, my video made yesterday indirectly. They him the banquet. She am when they post one na the official page. This morning my lawyer said that they have posted it. Grace, is that you? Upon all the people who gather. Apart
from grace, I can get your child. Let me
tell you. Oh no, chere godi. I want to had your chan. Canon and Garuota. Many people. I can have your chan. Many people I can have your chan. People gather there and labeled lies. Nobody. Grace no they find them. If I lie, go to Suleja. Go to different prisons. Gamanana, innocent people are languishing. When I tell Grace, I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. Many people I can. Many people cases that I can have the orchard. It's already one that many cases in this that was listening. How many cases they would be fair and came? I said, can you go on your today? It's not gonna work.
You're right. Okay, need them to try a case on a mobi. Seriously. Arrest. And what he go around all under promoter for complete 2 weeks.
I know now now and all the time.
When I started talking with Ogechi, like this na phone, Oge will calm me down. Oh, you know me. Okay, with them, forget this thing. I'm resting. I'm enjoying my life here. Then I treat him like VIP. I will calm down. But even at that, I was still worried.
Who is calling me on live video?
Una are happy. Now celebrate that a woman that did not do anything to you people.
Hello, who is this?
On her own page.
Hello?
Reply that she's languishing somewhere in Nigeria. Una celebrate. Ana corona aka. Well, one after the other. Nigerian court case. All of you from A to Z. From A to Z. Go to 5 years.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
One after the other.
Hello, man of God, I'm live for in on a speaker.
Okay.
Man of God.
I don't laugh.
I know be smart, you know. You know be smart, you know. I won't bury him, man of God. Everything now will flip. Post them everywhere. You were there, right? Anybody see keep my one man then on YouTube everywhere. I got lawsuits everywhere. They will pay me for damages. The law has given the order. You're not supposed to post any of my shit anymore.
So
Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, no. After I in a brand, don't get you. What about your ECOWAS case? Otilo. What case? Otilo. Hey, what on your but grace you found me, oh, favor found me. And I never did.
I just know a foundation office. See my wife say God say I pay.
I'm telling you.
Just man
of God, you need to read their TikTok. I don't know what is holding you.
Yes, I'm gonna come.
You need to read their TikTok. Oh. They catch a man here, name and now make cabas. Gabankat.
Jesus. Hey, God.
No be small.
I'm just for point and
Man of God, the men enjoy it. I just go for point and kill him. Guys, sorry, Daisy Pue. Hello? Hello, boss. At the moment, my brother. At the moment.
You film today, yeah? The prison,
yeah.
The last visitation.
Yes.
This is the outcome.
Yes.
Just have to this is the outcome.
Yes.
The miracle be doing.
Yes.
So the whole thing and then that. I
am about people that giving will open doors. We break many protocols.
That's the effect.
We break many protocols. People don't understand.
You see, God is on your side.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. Madam people, don't hesitate. I know what I'm saying. The effect na the very brutal. That thing each na onwe ke si eme mmụọ Chineke avoliri from somewhere ye na eme iche na we egwuregwu case adompuru ke meshi. Even lawyer I'm saying I and I say okay, whatever will happen, let it happen. All of a sudden now the verdict also so then everybody, two parties should come. Then Tapo no dia. They got it. Then Tapo was there. Adumetone lere hana na Zoom. Case nwran. Case ashi enye na ihe niile gas up to oya. God is she from nowhere. Each and that visitation not just ordinary. Each and that prison visitation or what? When you go down reminder what happened. People cried and prayed. Let me tell you, you know, you need in a Bible reality in a face, whether we believe in it or not. It happens. I am saying before you give out any money, as I'm giving this, This is what I want you to do for me. All the very powerful. When you feed only way cordia, when you bail people, when you knock on the door, people are HF. God and do the mother. Yes, because confirm it. Not me put you on TV. Yes, why not? Why not? I want.
Let us know the price at the television station.
Yeah, let us know the price. I'm a million followers. But bam, because they broke AG, they will support me.
And the TV stations,
yes, because confirm one me. I know I don't have money. My followers will not leave me behind. Yes. Whatever it is, God will bring people. I get it. Yes. You know, giving. I want to know but I 100,000. I don't tell them I don't have money, but I managed to cover out 100K. God has shown me, remember, you have lifted many altars. You have lifted many altars. Thank you, baby. Confirm it. You see, no why. My dear, that one is coming. Ashim go what. Ashim because I need me because all what everything will go according to law. You want to go? It's just a matter of time. Ashim get time is the best judge. And when him now go no. When you know this statement now here. Oh Ogechi. Time supersede all odds. Time is the best judgment, yeah. But time is better give here. Time better give and when you're not counter, and when you're not let me go and appeal. Like ECOWAS Court, you cannot appeal. You cannot appeal their verdicts. You want to go? Time supersede all odds. The only problem within the Interpol, they did not verify, they did not investigate properly about this monster.
And how
they did not
investigate. I will send them Melende Kesharona this and get Dr. Fortunate. I will have the next one.
I'll put you my WhatsApp number now 312-912. Yeah, look at the Gazette. Yeah, Zagazigi, we won. Zagazigi, that thing is Gazette. Sorry, ECOWAS case. Go and tell that idiot, that Amusu that destroyed Google. Go and tell her. Go and tell her that, yes, that ECOWAS case has finally come to reality. Unintelligent criminal. Go and brainwash them again. Let me show them. This is the exactly because na platform the victory is here. Ogechi has been declared wanted. All the video come now. When you keep posting me on a platform, okay? I can't find that video anymore. I know it's somewhere, but I can't place my finger now. That one, Oshi. Hey, people, I want to come and show you. I want to come and show you. And she has been declared. She's now wanted by the Nigerian. That one, I will personally come for her for that. She violated my constitutional rights. She knows. She knows. Onyoshi. You came out publicly, called me a scammer, a thief. Well, I have not stolen anything from you. Stolen anything from you? Nothing. Look at the Gazette. You because I need dream that video. Look at them. Even here post where my fake their fake accounts layer. This was actually Eba Hoji the thing. Eba Hoji and a player. I want to show you the evil monster that using that making Nigerian police to look stupid. That make Nigerian police to look like they are not worthy. somebody to damage Nigerian police reputation. Because she's in Nigeria, we're not in Nigeria. We are her easy targets. So give your Nigeria a disrupt all your coming. Mess it up. Mess it up.
Oh yeah, no.
Frustrate again.
Oh yeah, no. Why you robber? Carry all your evidence to court. Take all your evidence. Take all your evidence. That's if you have evidence. Because I don't understand what your.
Thank you. Let me play it.
Carry all your evidence to court. Stop there. You did not receive. You received everything. In your address where you give, nobody they live for the house. You carry empty.
But you shouldn't have been address the lawyer office, yeah. I am the lawyer's office.
No, other one day. Address who log here, up all from there. I got a door one young empty house.
Obi dear, and down cockaboo.
Well, they fake life too much. Fake life too much for social media. Nobody. Carry it all. Don't go and be carrying people's this thing. The same people where you they call bingos.
The video you
use they get hope.
Le kwebo post ya le kwebo Njaka na sample the most wanted le kwe. This is where she was busy sampling it. There's the woman. Look at the woman I'm talking about. This is the woman that take order from herself. There. This is the woman that violated my constitutional rights. This is the woman, Mariam Justice. She is the one that violated my constitutional rights. Look at her.
Someone that is looking for justice.
I took the video what she started this very day. I'm merging that video. Oh, the video comes in the land ECOWAS. This particular video. Oh, the video comes in there. Posted my gazettes. Why no katara gazette? Even she described me as a man. Look at it. There. From her page. This is where she was busy.
We are posting everything. They say post it on social media so everybody can see. Don't give us excuse.
Emo! Mariam Justice, I'm giving you 24 hours to remove anything that has to do with that gazette from your platform. I am giving you 24 hours to remove any gazette thing. If you refuse to do it, you hear from my lawyer. Remove anything that has to do with this most wanted on your platform. According to the order, remove Voya with immediate effect. I'm giving you 24 hours. Remove Voya. The same way you came on platform that day, that very day, and sampled it is the same way I'm telling you now. Go and remove it. Go and remove it. Immediately, everybody can hear my voice. And I know you follow me, you listen to me very well. I am giving you 24 hours to remove any gazette. And you and your followers, you must be removed from now to 24 hours. You remove Wole.
When the followers,
you and her bingos.
You and your low lives and bingos. Anyway, you 24 hours to remove any publication email on this behalf. Immediately. Immediately. Don't say I didn't warn you. Go and remove it immediately. I will not warn you again. Guys, after 24 hours, you will remove it. You want a choice. You get remove here.
As now she be caught.
Now
you be caught. Now you be police. Now you be everything. Not only you there Nigeria. Not only you there Nigeria.
Remove it now. Remove
you cannot corrupt our country. Nigeria is a good place. You cannot be doing all this. No, it has to stop. A A civil matter, you turn it to a criminal case.
Any of you, again, this thing will hear from me.
Civil matter, you turn it to criminal case. And now they want to know why did you people turn it to a criminal case? Ogechi, they don't tell on wait for my own. Ogechi go ECOWAS. The ECOWAS Ogechi go. My own go loud. You already became loud. Wait, within 2 hours now, go post them. They say come to court. Everybody go carry on. Come running, come to court. Don't be let you sabi post people something. They go post your own. Also go they post your own. You go they post them. Yeah. Come to court. Come to court. Bring all your evidence. Bring it. Look at it. Look at him. He has evidence. Any way he should not do. You think Nigeria is a joke? According to you, think Nigeria is a joke? Now you go use your face show person something. Now you go still go court. You don't know that the one way you use your face show 9
lawsuit agara very soon if they don't remove it. Lawsuit agara. You must remove every picture. Every platform. I'm not be the video. I'm not be because I'm not go and in all platforms that are publishing here. All of you should go and remove it immediately. Immediately.
Can you show me where I came out with your face to with my face to talk about you? But you use your face, your video. But you don't even know what is evidence. Come to court. Let's go to court. That's what we want. Go to court. Court not be death sentence. Now court. Now
court with the best place. Now police is your friend.
Exactly. You showed us court. Come to court. Stop looking for who will come back and you will arrest.
Hey, humiliate here. All of you that arrested me, wait for me.
We are not going to give you that opportunity.
All of you that arrested me that day, wait for me. You will hear from Ashimia. It can only take time. All of you.
That's what you can't. We can't give you such opportunity. Come go to court. That's all we want. You have a lawyer. I have a lawyer. Our lawyers will
go to wait for me. They come.
I'm not going.
Oh, one after another.
You go use the connection where you get. They mess Nigeria name up. But you putagi maker, hey, but you came out to tell us that you have connection. I have your voice where you said you have connection. You have connect. We have it. We are waiting for you because they're gonna play all those things for you. You need to tell them that your connection. You never even see something. It isn't how we put come to 360 ton. It's not about 360. Go to court. Go to court and tell them that connection you said you will use to
destroy us.
That destroy everybody. That's what they
Pretty
want
my
baby.
baby.
To them in court. Carry all your evidence. Carry all your evidence and go to court. That's what they want. That's what they want. Carry everything and go to court. Period. Go to court. Let them know if you have a concrete evidence for you to tell them to gazette somebody. Who cannot do gazette? You know course now. We know everything. We know every way to do it now. You have taught us. You have taught us. But we don't want to do that now. Because we want to prove to you that this is not the way. We want to show you that this is not the way. You think we don't know how you did it? I tell you, say, that thing where you know, we don't know them 10 times. I don't need more joy. You know why it gives me so much joy? Because I am not the now. Anybody where is Susu will collect.
No.
Anybody where is Susu will collect. It's just that Ijikwe Gogi. Do you understand? You have taught us how to do it. Do you want me to tell you how you did the gazette? We already know.
No, sure.
Go and ask that person that did that your gazette. We spoke. We and that person don't talk.
Okay.
So we already know how it works. Now even small change you pay. Oswald.
No. IG need to look into what you're doing.
Stop messing the system up.
Just not allow police. She just damaging the name of this entity.
Face it, a civil matter. Stop doing it like it's
she just damaging this reputation of police people.
Even with that gazette, cyberbullying, it go come be like say na criminal then catch. We think it's a big deal. You think it's a big deal? Now to show them say anybody
damaging the reputation of Interpol.
See,
destroying it.
When my cousin send that gazette to me, I tell and say, make you now for you to know. Waiting you him himself when they send me that gazette, waiting you go still collect for my hand. Oh, him now talk, now mouth. Now mouth. Now mouth. It's not a criminal. Nobody stole anything. Anybody.
Hey, so finally.
Yes.
Hey, so finally. Hey, now so this life.
She go appeal now. I go only post now. She go appeal.
No, you cannot appeal ECOWAS Court. There is no appeal in ECOWAS Court. You cannot Sharon, you can't appeal in ECOWAS Court. It's a final judgment.
Okay.
And I may appeal. Court that supersede all Africans. And I may appeal in ECOWAS. I may appeal Supreme Court. All this court. And I may appeal in ECOWAS.
See, go to court. That's what I'm telling you. I'm not telling you that I'm innocent. I'm not telling you are innocent. But let the court give the final say.
Simple.
God give their final judge. That's the order. That's it. Stop coming on social media to Koga as if say you Maduga. Fuck. Nothing go play. Nothing go play. Or you make gazette gineme. If you do gazette, waiting go come. You make gazette gineme. If you do gazette, waiting can happen. Person thief, person. Now
My
for
followers,
all on social media, that's
my followers are sending me.
It's a big deal for you. It's a big deal for you.
Now the police are
the
police. Are man to get 1 million major aircraft, major change. At least I want 1 million.
Okay, police the
police is good. Now this woman is the one that destroys the reputation.
All those things can be posted.
Our police is good.
Yes, so our IG is a good man.
Our IG is a good man. He's yes.
You have to be careful. No.
No. I've been saying it. Only my bigger police. Only my bigger partner is this woman. I've been saying it.
Messing up the judiciary system.
Yes.
She's the one that messing it up.
Judiciary system for us.
Police did not. Oh, this partition. They need to know who she's using. They need to know who she's using. They need to know who she is using. Because I know that the top authority don't know who this woman is using. IG will not support this kind of. They will not. Something is wrong somewhere.
IG is a good man. He will not support this. The head is a good man. He will not support this.
He will not. Maybe he don't even know about this case.
Yes, do.
He don't know. He need to know what's going on. If you want to read, yes. What went wrong? You hear from me. You want to go? You need to also hear from me. I can hear what you're saying.
Again. Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome. I greet you. Okay, all God racing bidoro ihe. God racing no life. Oge abata TikTok. Ghana life God racing. Oga watch ahe God racing kuge. God racing ebido ta yeriwo onu ni jele sekwa na I threat no life abada. I'm giving the fact na oge mele experience in hampo. Mbono na Nigeria. Ha bia ma attempt life ya. Oga simba no kwa no detain no ihe mekeno. Na or they interest na akaya akwukwa here. So God racing oge asi ya na wete no proof. God racing na struggle with the phone ya. Si nwa be ya na ya wete phone ko hotspot or ya ko play ihoji as proof. So make it dele ha it wasn't going. Oge no na life. Oge asi ngwa na ya nwe ya trouble ibia life. Na ko gazie life na God racing no no ji proof. Na ya bia wazie na life ya. So I know kwa na life God racing. God racing na say no God biala life, oh God biala life. So later, Boge their life, you got join your life, okay. And understand that God racing on a team Ijele. God racing na Ijele made a peace few days ago. Ijele na sinogi nebugetting against her. Oh, washe. Because God racing na Ijele on the same.
Platform, you got peace.
Time God racing there and I will say the truth. So what they are now India. Ye play way live video Ijele mere. Na Ijele kuru na akwaginwa kuru na egebute ndi gagba. You know. So and I could understand where Oge was coming from. Oge Benaji man Oge many experience attempt na her life one on her.
She's even watching you. She's watching you. Give up by your team.
Ijele thunder babu Oge. Ijele saga continue between me and you. When I get a break here at this TikTok. You were.
I shall get one here now in America. I hear that work.
Yes. I got money. When I'm going to put that.